Fast food. It's the guilty pleasure we all love to indulge in, whether it's a late-night burger run or a quick lunch break at your favorite drive-thru. But have you ever stopped to think about what's actually in that delicious, mouth-watering meal? Today, we're diving deep into the hidden truths about fast food ingredients that you probably didn't know. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Let's start with the basics. You've heard the phrase, "You are what you eat," right? Well, if you're eating fast food, that might be a bit concerning. Fast food is designed to be cheap, convenient, and, let's be honest, super tasty. But behind that flavor explosion lies a concoction of ingredients that can be downright shocking. Take a moment and think about the last time you munched on a burger. Did you consider what's really in that patty? Spoiler alert, it's not just beef. Many fast food chains use a blend of different meats, and some of them may even contain fillers and additives that you wouldn't expect. For instance, some burgers might include a mix of beef, pork, and even chicken, all ground together and shaped into that perfect patty. It's a cost-saving measure, but it also raises questions about quality and transparency. And let's not forget about the infamous pink slime that made headlines a while back. This so-called meat is a byproduct of processing beef and is treated with ammonia to kill bacteria. It's not exactly what most people envision when they think of a juicy burger. Now let's talk about chicken. You might think that ordering a chicken sandwich is a healthier choice, but hold on. The chicken used in fast food is often loaded with sodium and preservatives to enhance flavor and extend shelf life. And if you think you're getting a whole chicken breast, think again. Many fast food chicken sandwiches are made from reconstituted meat, which means the chicken is processed, formed into a patty, and then breaded and fried. So when you take a bite, you might be consuming a mix of various chicken parts, not just the lean, juicy breast you imagine. And what about those fries? The golden, crispy fries that accompany almost every fast food meal. They're usually deep fried in oil. But did you know that some fast food chains use a blend of oils that can include partially hydrogenated oils? This means you could be consuming trans fats, which are known to be harmful to your heart health. Plus, the fries are often coated in additives like dextrose to give them that perfect golden color and to enhance flavor. So that seemingly innocent side of fries is actually hiding a lot more than you might think. Let's not overlook the sauces and dressings either. Those creamy, tangy sauces that make your burger or salad sing can be a hidden source of calories and unhealthy ingredients. Many fast food chains use high fructose corn syrup as a sweetener in their sauces, which can contribute to weight gain and other health issues. And don't even get me started on the preservatives and artificial flavors that are often added to keep those sauces shelf-stable. It's a cocktail of chemicals that you wouldn't want to put in your body if you really knew what was in there. And speaking of chemicals, let's talk about artificial flavors and colors. Fast food is notorious for using these additives to enhance the taste and appearance of food. Ever wonder why that strawberry milkshake is such a vibrant pink? It's likely due to artificial coloring rather than actual strawberries. And those flavors? They're often a complex blend of chemicals designed to mimic the taste of real ingredients. It's a bit unsettling to think that what you're consuming might not be as natural as you'd like to believe. Now, let's take a moment to consider the bread. You might think that a bun is just a bun, but fast food bread can be a hidden source of unhealthy ingredients. Many buns contain high levels of sugar, preservatives, and even dough conditioners to improve texture and shelf life. Some fast food chains use a chemical called azodicarbonamide, which is also found in yoga mats. Yes, you heard that right. That fluffy bun you're enjoying might have some questionable ingredients lurking within. And what about the salads? You'd think that salads would be a safe bet when it comes to fast food, but hold your horses. Many fast food salads are loaded with calories, thanks to heavy dressings, fried toppings, and even sugary croutons. A salad that looks healthy on the surface can easily pack more calories than a burger, especially if you're not careful about what you're adding to it. It's a classic case of healthy fast food being a bit of a misnomer. Now, let's shift gears and talk about portion sizes. Fast food has a notorious reputation for serving up massive portions, and this can lead to overeating without even realizing it. The average fast food meal has ballooned in size over the years, with larger burgers, bigger fries, and even larger drinks. This means that you're likely consuming more calories than you think, and it can contribute to weight gain and other health issues. It's all too easy to fall into the trap of thinking that just because you're at a fast food joint, you're entitled to a value meal that's way more than you actually need. And here's another kicker: the marketing. Fast food chains are masters at marketing, and they know how to make their food look irresistible. Those glossy images of burgers and fries on billboards and in commercials are designed to make your mouth water. But the reality is often far from what's portrayed. The food you get at the drive-thru may not look anything like the picture-perfect meals you see in advertisements. It's a clever trick to entice you into making that purchase. It works like a charm. But it's not all doom and gloom. Understanding what's in your fast food can empower you to make better choices. You don't have to give up fast food entirely. Just be mindful of what you're ordering. Opt for grilled options instead of fried. Skip the sugary drinks, and consider sharing a larger portion if you're dining with friends. Many fast food chains are also starting to offer healthier choices, like salads with grilled chicken or fruit cups, so it's possible to enjoy a meal without completely derailing your health goals. And here's a little secret: you can often customize your order to make it healthier. Ask for sauces on the side, request whole grain buns, or substitute fries for a side salad. Many places are more than willing to accommodate your requests, and it can make a world of difference in the nutritional value of your meal. Now, I know what you're thinking, but fast food is just so convenient. And you're right. It's hard to beat the speed and ease of grabbing a quick bite on the go. But convenience doesn't have to come at the expense of your health. With a little knowledge and awareness, you can enjoy fast food without compromising your well-being. So the next time you find yourself in line at your favorite fast food joint, take a moment to think about what you're ordering. Consider the ingredients, the portion sizes, and the hidden additives that may be lurking in your meal. Knowledge is power, and being informed about what you're eating can help you make choices that align with your health goals. In conclusion, fast food is a staple in many of our lives, but it's essential to be aware of what's really in that food. From hidden meats and artificial additives to portion sizes and marketing tricks, there's a lot more to fast food than meets the eye. By arming yourself with knowledge, you can navigate the fast food landscape with confidence and make choices that are better for your body. So the next time you reach for that drive-thru bag, remember, it's not just food. It's a blend of ingredients that you deserve to know about. Enjoy your meal, but do so with a little more awareness of what's on your plate.